Hello. Come on up. Look, his food here. Hello. Come on. Want to eat something? Here you go. Okay. Very good. You have to come around this. Here. Let me see. There you go. There. One in the cage. Okay. Hi, Cuckoo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where are you? You don't know where you are. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
נעשה עוקר לו את כל השיניים בצד הזה.
אוקיי. You silly. Come on. Oh my goodness. Open. Come on. All the way in. All the way in. There we go. Finished. No more wormies.
כמה זמן הוא היה בכלוב?
Oh, just how many? 3 hours in the cage already?
Yeah.
We left. No, wait a minute.
You caught him earlier.
I caught him at 7 o'clock. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. home tonight. And Niall, who's the Bedouin that has a shop near up, flagged me down and said, Tova, I was trying to find you. I don't have your phone number. I rescued this kitten from boys that were using it as a football. And so I put him on a hot water bottle and a heating pad, and he's feeling a lot better now. He's had anti-flea stuff and anti-worm stuff. And my friend Lisa, visiting from Albuquerque, donated $60 to give to Svetlana. It's a donation to Svetlana to take the kitten tonight.
Kitty, listen to him purring. Look at you.
ואיזה אנשים רעים.
מה?
איזה אנשים רעים. שמתי שם, את יודעת, שם כאילו לא נותנים לי לשים איפה שהמדרגות. אז אני שמה קצת לפני, ועכשיו ראיתי את החתולה ההיא שרציתי שתעקרי והיא המליצה